Hey everyone, how's it going? If you're new here, my name is Samantha and I go by Thrifty on a Dime on all my social media platforms. I talk all things reselling, whether it be online as well as in person. So if that sounds like something you're interested in, make sure you do subscribe, as well as hit that little bell icon. It will alert you when I put out new content. So I have another 30-pound DIY denim rescue box from ThreadUp. And typically I get or get one item per dollar is usually the cost of goods that it equates to. And yeah, I paid what, $32 was the original price, but then you have to add on the taxes, so it's just shy, I think, of $36 if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and get started and share what I got. Some of it I take to Plato's Closet and Style Encore, which are just buy, sell, trade, sell stores. Some of it I list online, and then some of it I actually just donate or give it to a friend who upcycles jeans if they're not resellable. Land's End. So this is a good style of denim. I may end up listing this one myself, especially because I got the Arizona warehouse, which if you watch my videos, there's 3 warehouses you could potentially get a rescue box from, which is Arizona, Georgia, and Pennsylvania. And I'm not a huge fan of Arizona at all. And of course, both of my recent denim boxes come from Arizona. But spoiler, if you didn't watch my prior video, the denim box I got before was actually really good from Arizona, surprisingly. So I'm high hopes to this one being good as well, but we shall see. I'm gonna put those in my list pile just in case. All right, Zara Woman. These look sort of small though. Size 4. So Zara Woman. The one thing with denim is finding that there is pulls and stuff, as well as wear to the crotch and butt area. These ones do have some pulling. They're still in really good condition though, so I may just go ahead and just try to take them to Plato's in Style. And hopefully they'll just take them, because I hate just redonating them when you could make money off of them. All right, this is just a pair of Wrangler. I was thinking that Wrangler would be a good one, especially if they're vintage, but honestly, Wrangler or vintage doesn't do the best for me, even if it's new with tags, which stinks. So I'm gonna have to think on that one. I think that's probably gonna be just a redonate. All right, I like getting jean jackets. One box I had like all jean jackets, and I made a lot of money on that box. So this one is Angel Kiss. This may end up being my daughter's. I mean, it's a cute boho jean jacket, but it's small and it's not a great brand. It's not a bad brand, but it's not like oh, that's an amazing reselling brand. All right, Levi's. And this is definitely more of a dated look, but also look at that wear. So that is a donation. All right, I'm seeing some American Eagles. Please be in decent shape. Oh, and it's only a size 6. It kind of look bigger than a 6. So far, so good. But the only issue is it's a little bit more of a wide flare look. I like the wash of them. It's going in my list pile. All right, this is a pair of Joe's jeans. You probably can't read that tag. I just had to read the back pocket one. But Joe's is a hit or miss. These are the raw hem. There is a little bit of pulling, and it looks like there's a stain on the front. So unfortunately, these are not going to be sellable. Waist is 25, and I don't think those are going to be small enough for my daughter. I will try to get out that stain. I don't know if you can see it. Looks like it's been washed though and treated. So if it's been treated and dried, more than likely it's not gonna come out for me. INC, not a great brand, but depending on the style of leg. Okay, so there's quite a bit of wear. I am gonna go ahead and just take it to Style and see if they do take it, but I doubt it. So this box is not as great as the last one. Michael Kors. As long as there's no wear, I will definitely just take these directly to Play-Doh or Style Encore, because They do price Michael Kors up still in the store. So I will see what I can get there. Michael Kors doesn't do the best online anymore. All right, universal thread, the same with these. Going to Style Encore. This is Blank NYC, which is a decent brand. The resale like value isn't there, but it's a good quality denim. I'm trying to see what size it is. Size 24. Might be able to fit my daughter. I'll share. Okay, so this one is a good brand. I'm almost positive. Pistola, but it's white. So, and it looks like I'm seeing wear in the back, but I don't know for sure. Let's see if it, maybe it was just a shadow then. I hope it's just a shadow because I think that's a decent brand. Let me know if you know Pistola. All right, another pair of shorts, which I was surprised. The last box, I think, had one pair of shorts. Being Arizona, I would have thought there'd be more. All right, this is and denim. It's just like the symbol and. And these are like a high-waisted short, size 6. What are these? I think this is a skirt. Yeah. This is just a skirt. Wild Fable, size 0 skirt. Levi's, high-waisted. What size are these though? They look stretchy. I feel like I'd be comfortable in them. Not gonna fit, size 6. But that's not one I will resell either, so I'll just take it to Plato's Closet. All right, so maternity, Isabel maternity, size 2. I was never a size 2 in maternity, like 10 to a 14. But yeah, those are, I like reselling maternity. I think it does well. It just doesn't sell for a lot. Just USA, size 29. These look bigger than a 29, so I'm going to try these on. Especially because there's some pulling going on, but it's hard to see. Haley, made with love. This just looks like a cheap tag. They look like they're in good shape. They're size 1, but they look a little smaller, so I'll let her try those on too. She's usually so happy with me when she gets to try stuff on. All right, size 6 American Eagle. I like reselling American Eagle as long as it's kind of more of a on-trend, high-waisted style, and bigger sizes do best. So anything under a 6, I don't like getting. I'll sell it, but it's like, really? How many people are that size? No, I'm just kidding, but seriously. Iwana. I have never seen this brand tag before. It either is a really good brand or it's just an okay brand, but because of the tag. These are cute. So hopefully it's a good brand because I haven't gotten any amazing stuff in this box yet. But a lot of sellable stuff, which is good. I guess we should stop complaining. Just Gap. Nothing special. 28 regular, but it is curvy, which is nice. True to curve. All right, we are over halfway done. Another jean jacket. Please be a good brand. Ralph Lauren. This is decent. But I don't know about this style. It's got like the cinched back and stuff. That kind of seems like it's early 2000s, which isn't quite vintage yet. All right, frame denim, which is a great find, but I think I'm seeing a lot of pulling. So it is a good brand, but, well, I guess it's just got a little bit of pulling. Nope, it does, yeah. Lots and lots of wear. So I don't know. I don't think that this is gonna be worth my time reselling, even with all that wear. So I'm gonna put those in the donation pile. Oh, a pair of bibs, but they're just divided. They are size 10 though, so that's not horrible. They're cute. Faded Glory size 10. Definitely a style encore item. Lots of shorts and stuff in here, which is totally fine. Topshop. Definitely high-waisted and raw hem. Decent brand. Gap size 4. Just a denim skirt. They don't sell denim skirts usually, like at all. I don't think I even have, I think I might have like 3 skirts listed in my closet, totally. All right, size 6 shorts. Those will be an easy sell though. Wallflower. Denim jacket. Nothing crazy, but I guess it's a cute denim jacket. There is some staining on the sleeve, so I don't know. And I really don't think I can get that out because this is like more of a sweater material. So unfortunately that's going to the donation pile. All right, X2 denim skirt. I believe that is Forever 21. And one more jean jacket. I don't think it's anything special. I'm not seeing a tag. Oh, it's not even a jacket. It's a short sleeve something. Yeah, I don't think it's anything, any kind of brand that's special, but let me count and I'll let you know how many I got. So it ended up being 31 total, which they typically try to make as many items in there as it is pounds. So I guess 31 makes it right on point. 5 for us, me and my daughter to try on, and then 5 that's gonna get redonated or upscaled. So yeah, not too bad. Comes out at usually like $1, a little over $1 per item. But again, since I can't reuse some of those, it's more than $1, probably 20, maybe $1.50 each item, which is still not bad for the cost of goods. And hey, we get to reuse some stuff, so that's awesome too. So thank you guys so much for watching. Be sure you stay tuned for more of my unboxings, and I can't wait to put out more content for you. Have an awesome day.